say I think more than thank you. When we started Honor here in the Philippines, honestly, me personally, I started a 5-year plan. Then, now going to the 3rd year, I'm proud to say na times 5 namin yung 3-year plan namin. And it's because of your help. It's kung sino man yung tumulong sa amin, which is everyone is here. Very thankful kasi we could have done this without you guys. Kasi very thankful that you guys helped us out. At the beginning, nung maliit pa lang si Honor, we were just asking you, begging you to help us, whatever. You never hesitated to help us. That's the reason why we did this Christmas party, this Thanksgiving. Kasi, again, yung utang na loob namin sa inyo, hindi namin kaya kung tamagan. Sorry na inabot ng mga 5 hours yung giveaways namin, pasensya na. Si Emma nagreklamo eh, sabi ni Emma, tagal naman yung giveaways nyo. Marami kami giveaways, ano gagawin mo? No. Kidding aside, thankful for you guys. Thankful to the team. Si Pao, Joey, Iso, Dennis, El, nakasama. But thankful kasi sila yung umakasikaso sa inyo na day-to-day basis, your basis. I can't thank you guys enough kasi tumulong kayo sa amin. May campaign man kami or wala, you guys help us. Wala kaming masabi. Thankful, really thankful. Blessings kayo sa amin. Really a blessing, really a blessing. Eh man, videoan mo na ako yung buhay picture dyan. Pero honestly, thankful, really thankful. So, pamigay natin to. Okay, ito pala yung short history na ito Parang Pao, Joey, Ison, and I were talking. Sabi ko sa team, the media are helping us promote our campaigns. Sabi Hermes, Rolex, multiple times. Sabi ko, gusto kong ma-experience sa mga media what our customers are experiencing when they order our products. So yun yung dahilan why we purchased this. Na, of course, if I could give you guys Rolex, each and every one of you guys. Okay, pero baka mo rin ako trabaho, baka ma-miss nyo ako. Pero, if we could have done it with each and every one of you guys, sana. But I want you guys to experience what our campaign is doing, what you guys are promoting for the longest time, for at least a year and a half, right? Gusto kong ma-experience nyo kung ano yung mga pinopromote nyo in your social media pages, in your vlogs, in your videos, in your YouTube. Gusto kong ma-experience nyo. That's why we came up with this. Gusto namin na ma-experience sa inyo yung thousands and thousands and thousands na nag-order at nagpalaki kay Honor ng mga customers namin. Proud enough to say, yung Honor X9C namin, which you guys help us do the campaign, has 55 to 58% market share here in the Philippines. It's really big. And of course, thankful kami with you guys because we know na kayo yung mga tumulong sa amin. No one else, kayo yung mga tumulong sa amin. So, I've said so much. Okay, pamigay na natin to.